Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to find and scan a Revolut QR code. So whether you want to show someone your personal QR code to collect cash fast, or you need to scan a friend's code to send a quick payment, Revolut makes it super easy. So first let's look at how to pull up your own unique QR code so someone can pay you instantly. So just open up your Revolut app on your phone and tap on your profile avatar. Right underneath your profile picture and handle, tap the small QR code icon. Your personal Revolut QR code will pop up on screen immediately. You can let your friends scan it right off your phone screen, or tap share to send a picture of your code via any other messenger. And now let's look at how to scan someone else's QR code to send them money or split a bill. Tap on the Transfers tab, the icon with two arrows at the bottom of your main screen. Look up at the top right corner and tap on the scanner icon. And just point your phone camera directly at your friend's QR code. Revolut will instantly recognize their account's profile. You can just type in the amount to send, tap review and hit send. And also guys, pro tip, you can also use this exact built-in scanner to pay at shops or check out online. Enjoy!